Hey there, lovely viewers, and welcome back to Nutrition Nomics. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we embark on a journey into the world of budget-friendly healthy eating. If you're a student, a family on a tight budget, or just someone who wants to save some extra cash while still nourishing your body, you're in the right place. In this video, we've got a jam-packed itinerary. We'll be covering everything you need to know to eat well without emptying your wallet. So, let's dive right in, shall we? The importance of eating well. First things first, let's talk about why eating well is so crucial. We'll delve into the benefits of a balanced diet and how it can positively impact your health and your wallet. Trust me, it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling fantastic too. You see, when we prioritize nutrient-rich foods, we're not only nourishing our bodies but also preventing future health issues. Plus, eating well can boost your energy levels, improve your mood, and enhance your overall quality of life. And guess what? All of this can translate into significant long-term savings on healthcare costs. Planning your meals. Now, on to our next segment, meal planning. This is where the magic begins, my friends. We'll show you the ropes on how to plan your meals effectively, ensuring you make the most of your ingredients and reduce food waste. Stick around for some pro tips that will have you meal prepping like a champ. Meal planning not only helps you stay organized but also allows you to create a shopping list that's tailored to your needs. This means less impulse buying and more money saved. And don't worry, we'll share some fantastic resources to help you get started with meal planning. Budget-friendly grocery shopping. Who's ready for some budget-savvy grocery shopping? In this segment, we're going to explore strategies that will help you save big bucks while still getting the nutrition you need. Don't forget to keep an eye out for those special deals and discounts. One of the key takeaways here is the importance of buying in bulk and opting for store brand products. These small changes can make a significant difference in your grocery bill over time. We'll also talk about the value of frozen and canned fruits and vegetables, which can be just as nutritious as fresh ones and often come at a lower cost. Cooking at home. Segment 4 is all about getting cozy in the kitchen. We'll discuss why cooking at home is not only healthier but also way more cost-effective. Plus, I'll share a few quick and easy recipes to get you started on your culinary adventure. When you cook at home, you have control over the ingredients and portions, which can save you money and help you avoid those pricey restaurant bills. We'll explore some kitchen gadgets that can make your cooking experience more enjoyable and efficient. And of course, we'll whip up a scrumptious meal together, so stay tuned for that. Affordable ingredient swaps. Time to talk about ingredient swaps, folks. We'll reveal some affordable alternatives for pricier ingredients, so you can enjoy your favorite dishes without feeling the pinch in your pocket. For instance, did you know that you can substitute Greek yogurt for sour cream in many recipes, or use oats instead of breadcrumbs as a binder? These swaps not only save you money but can also boost the nutritional value of your meals. We'll go through a whole list of these swaps to help you make smarter choices at the grocery store. Mindful eating and portion control. Let's not forget about portion control and mindful eating. We'll explore how these practices can help you stay on budget while maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It's all about savoring each bite. Mindful eating means being present and fully engaged with your food. This helps prevent overeating and reduces food waste. We'll share some techniques and tips on how to develop mindful eating habits, making every meal a more satisfying and cost-effective experience. Budget-friendly recipes. Hungry for some tasty, budget-friendly recipes? You won't want to miss this segment. We'll whip up a couple of delicious and nutritious dishes that won't break the bank. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. We've got a fantastic pasta recipe and a mouth-watering stir-fry lined up for you. Both are packed with flavor and nutrients, and they won't cost you an arm and a leg to prepare. Plus, we'll discuss how to use leftovers creatively, so you can enjoy delicious meals without constantly cooking from scratch. Final tips and recap. Finally, we'll wrap things up with some final tips and a quick recap of all the wisdom we've shared today. Plus, I'll remind you why it's essential to prioritize your health and your savings. Remember, folks, it's not just about pinching pennies, it's about making informed choices that benefit both your wallet and your well-being. We've covered a lot of ground today, so be sure to stick around for this recap to solidify your newfound knowledge. And there you have it, folks, our comprehensive guide to budget-friendly healthy eating. I hope you've enjoyed this in-depth exploration and found it incredibly informative. If you did, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that notification bell so you never miss out on our future tips and tricks for smart and nutritious eating on a budget.